Hello children, class 7. I'm again back with a new video. Today I think we will end the chapter. This chapter is very much small. Today I will give you another video of this chapter 4. Children, the atmosphere. This is the second part of this atmosphere. Here we will going to learn. Today the video's learning objective will be the layers of the atmosphere. Okay children, last day I have already just take a recapitulation, that is what learning objective was. It was the atmosphere, how it is important, what is heat budget, I have already explained, what is greenhouse gases, what are the combination or composition of atmosphere, that also I have said with the help of nice videos I have explained. So tomorrow after that, after the class also, I will just going to make going to make the interesting video also. Next class, in the Zoom class, I will show you some more thing. Children, please keep on watching properly and please be present in the class, children. Acha, today before starting my video, I just wanted to say that hope so you are well and staying at home, and all at home are safe, that we are expecting, and please maintain social distancing. Every festival, everywhere, anyhow you have to maintain that. Okay children, with that you have to study also, right? So first of all, today I will going to tell you that introduction of layers of atmosphere. What is children layers of atmosphere? Layers of atmosphere means how many layers we have, how many one by one another layer we have in the atmosphere around. Scientists have divided the atmosphere into 5 major layers. What are they? The division is based on the largely on the how the division has been done. The division has been done based on the definitely the temperature variations observed by the atmosphere with the height of the whenever height will increase, that time only temperature also increase or decrease, whatever it will be. According to that, scientist has been explained it according to the 5 layers, divided it according to the 5 layers. What are they? The troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere and the exosphere. Okay children, so first I will going for the explanation. Before that, you have to see my board also, children. With the help of the board also, I will show you. Just here only, I just wanted to show you that how many layers are there. Here will be the earth has been settled down like this way, right? Earth is in the center. So in a circulate way, I just wanted to show you that there are the layers of the atmosphere. Okay, first layer of the atmosphere, wherever the homes, the trees are there, that will be of troposphere. Okay children, second layer will be the stratosphere, third one will be the mesosphere, fourth one will be the thermosphere, fifth one will be the exosphere. Okay children, you have already seen that. Now I will come to you that troposphere. I will start. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It is the lowest layer. It means that it is the first layer of the atmosphere. Temperature and pressure fall down according to its height. It means the temperature also falling down according to its height, and also air pressure. Whenever temperature high, whenever height is. Children, here only I will just give you some example, like in the plain land, if you see in the temperature, or in the summertime you can also observe, in the plain land we have how much temperature. In the mountain regions, in the mountain hill stations, we have less temperature, that you are feeling that somehow sometimes we are carrying the sweaters and all wherever we are going to hill stations and all. So there, that is a basic thing, we can find it out. Okay, there will be some percentages according to height the temperature has been decreased. Okay, in your book little mistakes has been given, or roughly it has been given, so that's why I will tell you. The temperature decreases, increase of height, how much degree temperature decreases? It will be 6.5 degrees centigrade, okay, per kilometer or per 1000 meter. It means that suppose here Keonjhar is locating, or Puri, I will just give you the example, like Puri is locating on the sea level. It means that 0 to 300 meter, right? But whenever we will go 1000 meter or 1 kilometer above, it means that up, like Keonjhar is having so many hills and so many more places are having so many hills. So if you see, if we'll go up little bit like that way only, or if we'll go to some hill stations, there only, there suppose the height of the land will be 1 kilometer above from the sea level. So the temperature will be decreased. How much? Suppose Puri is having 20 degrees centigrade. Okay, so it is located in the sea level. So that place, that hill station temperature will be what? Minus 20 degree minus 6.5 degree, so around it will be 13.5 degree temperature. Okay children, so it is the exactly like that way only, that whenever height increased, temperature only decreased. Okay, It is called what? It is called normal lapse rate. It is the vice versa. It is also called the vice versa. It means that one will increase, another will decrease. It is called the vice versa, children. Next, it is also called normal lapse rate also. The lapse rate is the troposphere is the densest zone. It means that all weatheric phenomena has been happened over here only. Acha. All the 3/4 of the atmosphere, mostly the pressure has been all over here has been included, and mostly we are getting the oxygen also in this layer, right children? The average thickness of the troposphere is 13 kilometer. Acha, the thickness varies. Thickness means how much thick it will be. Okay, troposphere is having around 8 kilometer in the poles, it is extended, and around 18 kilometer in the equator. Okay children, next one, the troposphere is also known as the weatheric phenomena. It means that all storms, wind, rainfall, temperature, cold, hot, all the cyclones, all the precipitation, snowfall, rainfall, all the things, all the weather related things we are getting in this layer, particular layer only. Other layer we cannot see that. Okay children, so let's get back. The upper limit means whenever, just look at here children, here whenever the troposphere ends and stratosphere starts, here only the line I have drawn. Why I have drawn the line? Because it is the boundary. That boundary is known as tropopause, which is dividing troposphere and also stratosphere. Okay children, next stratosphere I will come. The layer just above the troposphere is called stratosphere. Stratosphere is around how much kilometer extended? From the earth surface, it will be a 50 kilometer extended. Here the temperature, acha, children, here the temperature will be rise with the increase of height. It's just opposite of the troposphere. Troposphere, what you have seen? Height increase, temperature decrease. But here in the stratosphere, what is happening? Whenever height increase, temperature also increase. After certain limit, there will be constant temperature. Then after that, it will be height will be increase, temperature also increase. Here, some special thing will be there, that one specific type of gas, that is of oxygen. 3 ions of oxygen has been accumulated and it will create a ozone. Okay, ozone is a specific type of gas which is very much helpful for us. How? In the lower part of the stratosphere, between 15 kilometer to 30 kilometer, in this particular type of amount only, because it is extended up to 50 kilometers, so definitely 15 to 30 kilometer will be coming under this ozone layer. Ozone layer, how it works? Ozone layer, what is the benefit of that? That ozone layer is absorbing the sun's ultraviolet rays. It means that it is very much harmful for our body, and it is very much giving the temperature as well as, so it is protecting like that way only. But due to some before time, means whenever the pollution was very much high, that time what has happened, due to some these different type of pollutants children, that day I have showed you in the videos also. What are the 3 gases? Nitrous oxide, chlorofluoromethane, methane gases, and also the nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. All the 3 gases are together, and also it is creating what? It is creating the pollutants are thick layer, and which is also interacting with this ozone layer, and it is making the holes on the ozone layer. Okay children, it is just reaction will be done, and due to these reactions, what has increased? The ozone layer has been divided into chlorine also, so that decreases chlorine also, so that's why it has been making the holes in the ozones. Okay, but due to this pandemic time, we are very much lucky. That day also I have said that we are very much lucky that ozone layer, wherever it has been made now children, it has started healing only. Okay, so acha, this CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, wherever we are getting this valuable industrial chemical with used of refrigerators. We are using the fridge na freezer, that also it is releasing. ACs also it is releasing. We are having that home insulation means incubators, like in the warmer means in the winter time we are using the warmer heater, water that room heater, that also it is increasing. Jet planes also fly in this stratosphere, which is also release these CFC gases. Okay, the upper limit of the, here also like troposphere, stratosphere, how it is just divided, like here also same thing is like that. The, one boundary will be there, one mark will be there, wherever the stratosphere and next layer will be the mesosphere has been divided into 2 parts. Okay, this type of thin layer has been known as the what? It will be known as the stratopause. Okay, now third layer will be mesosphere. Mesosphere, the third layer of atmosphere, it is lies above the stratosphere, extend to how much kilometer? 50 kilometer to 80 kilometer. Okay children, and here some specific things has been happened. Children, have you seen the meteoroids? Class 6 you have read now. It is a fragmented rock type of thing which is coming to our galaxy, which is roaming around. Whenever it is come to any type of planets gravitational force coming under, so it is very with a very velocity means very much speed, it is coming and hitting to that type of planet. Okay, these are called meteoroids. Rock fragmented traveling in a space burn up when they pass through this part of the atmosphere. Some meteoroids survey their journey. Acha, some are, they are generally burning with the collision only with the atmosphere and all, and with the these gravitational forces also. Whenever it is coming to the earth's surface, there some are leaving, so that time what is happening, they are called the meteoroids. Okay, this specific thing has happened in the mesosphere. Okay, and there will be the upper limit in the meteoroids has been totally burned in this mesosphere and is traveling over there only. It has been seen over there. The upper limit of the mesosphere is called what? Mesopause. It is the divider of the mesosphere, and next layer it will be thermosphere. Okay, so number 4 will be thermosphere. Thermosphere is the part of atmosphere and lies whenever it is lastly how much extended we also don't know. Actually it is very thin layer and it is having some specific things I will tell you here. It is also here given, it is also divided into 2 layers. It's not like that. Ionosphere, thermosphere. Within thermosphere na, positive ion and negative ions plus VE and minus VE. Lower part of the atmosphere lies in the mesosphere, extend up from 80 to 640 kilometer. Temperature rises sharply here. The ultraviolet radiance of the sun break the gases. Acha, in this layer how many gases are present? The ultraviolet rays of the sun, what is it doing? It is just breaking the gases molecules, and plus VE means the positive ion and negative ions will present over there. It has been present over there in this particular layer. That's why this layer also known as the ionosphere. Okay children, these are called ions, electrically charged particles. These ionosphere is full of electrical charges which enable the wireless transmission. How it is helps? What is the work of this? Because children, have you seen that have you heard that antenna is capturing some signals, phone is capturing some signals, and also your this wireless transmission, it means that no phone cord is there but we are transmitting with the other countries. These plus V and minus V, these ions are helping to transmission of the waves. Radio waves are also, it is helping to travel. Okay, radio waves are only going to this layer and coming back to our earth again. Okay children, it is transporting earth to reflect back to the earth by these ions. The upper limit of this same thing, upper limit of these troposphere is also called as ionosphere. Okay, last layer it will be of exosphere. Exosphere lies beyond the ionosphere and it is the uppermost, it means that the last layer, and last layer don't have any limit. Gases are very much few, generally not seen, it's a very thin layer only. Okay, the upper limit of the exosphere difficult to determine because the last layer is very thin and it is mixing with the space also, right? Into the interplay of the space. The temperature here estimated it will be 5500 degrees centigrade. The air is very thin here and density is very low. Density of the air means thickness of the air is very low. Only the lighter gases like helium and hydrogen can be found here. These two specific gases can be found. Children, please underline that. What is that? One will be helium and there will be hydrogen. Okay children, our this topic is also over, and here also you have to learn this page number 37, left hand side, ozone layer, CFC gases and lapse rate. Okay children, or normal lapse rate. So next day we will do the question answers and all. Till that time, thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video, and please watch the videos, please interact wherever you are feeling any type of you are not able to complete or you will not able to understand. So anytime free to call, free to ask. Okay, every time I'm telling in the class also, and our class I will make like interesting as it will be. Thank you so much. Till that time, bye children.